it going? So today I'm working on planting up the savanna urns that are in front of our house. We just got these this spring and got them placed, planted heucheras in them, and we've enjoyed them for the last couple of months, and I just cleaned them out. And got the heucheras planted out in the landscape, so now I'm ready for some summer plants. It's starting to sprinkle a little bit, and it's a little bit breezy today. Very pleasant for me. I'm hoping the plants will be okay. But I am really excited about the blend of plants that I'm putting up here because I think it has the potential to be pretty amazing. Let me just show you what I got here. So I got my hands on some toucan coral cannas. Aren't those beautiful? My parents just got a load in down at the garden center and I saw these come out of the load and I was just so excited. That's the tag right there. So 30 to 48 inches tall. And I've grown the toucan cannas before, but not this color, which this is my color. I love, love this color. Then we are gonna come in with some Play in the Blue salvia, which is probably one of my #1 favorite annuals to plant ever. Ever. This one and Golden Dreams coleus, Supertunia Bordeaux, all amazing plants, and these get massive. Then we've got heated up yellow. Let me look at the tag. Yeah. Heated up yellow gaillardia, an annual gaillardia that I tried out for the first time last year. But I mean, already look at the color, just so bright and fun. And then I've got Supertunia Bordeaux. We've got a Nasturtium that I thought I would try. And here's like cherry something. Whirlybird cherry rose. And there was only 4 at the garden center, so I picked up all 4. We'll put 2 in each container. And then a Sweet Caroline Red Hawk sweet potato vine to bring a little bit of like dark, because I didn't really want to do a bright green potato vine. I think this one will stand out a little bit better. Close up of the containers real quick. I don't think we're gonna need much soil at all. It rained pretty good there for a little while today, so the soil is just like perfect. I'll put a little soil in and my fertilizer, and then I'm gonna plant. And I don't really want this video to be super long, so I'm just gonna set up a camera, get them planted, and then we'll take a look. And there you have it, all done. Oh, I just think they're gonna be so beautiful. I mean, imagine when this thing fills in, even more than it already is. You can really see it up against the backdrop of the arborvitae here. All the colors, so the 3 cannas in the center, and then in between each canna, kind of further out toward the edge of the pot, I did a Play in the Blues. And then I just had the 2 gaillardias per pot, so I just kind of did those on either side. 3 Bordeauxs all together. So there's a Bordeaux tucked back here, Bordeaux, and Bordeaux. And then the Nasturtiums, which aren't those just the sweetest color right there? And I think that this is gonna be really interesting too, the leaf structure. So I've got one there and then one tucked on the other side, and the other one is identical, just kind of opposite so that they match each other. Yeah. And then the potato vine right here, which I think it's necessary to have that different color. Anyway, I'm super happy with these. And here's kind of a close-up look at this one. Now those gaillardias, after they root in, they will pick themselves up a little bit. Plus the Bordeaux will start to really fill in. And I imagine that I will be seeing the Bordeaux coming out from underneath this yellow gaillardia. It's just such a bright, happy looking container to me. I really just love it. Especially after the whole spring of not really having a tall centerpiece. I really find that I kind of miss that. And that is going to be it for today's video. I just wanted to keep it a little bit simple for once, just one project today. However, I do think that these containers are going to be spectacular. Even 1 month from now, I cannot wait to give you an update because I'm sure they're going to fill in super quick. We do keep them on a weekly water-soluble fertilizer schedule, and that helps out tremendously. And this year we are doing the BT spray on the super tunias and super bells around our entire property. Did I just say we're doing that weekly? We're doing it as a preventative because we get budworms so bad, and if you get budworms, the BT really helps with that. And if you don't spray them, they will get holes in the flowers, or they'll be completely flowerless for part of the season. So we've done videos about that before, and the BT spray is completely harmless to honeybees. It only affects the caterpillars that are, or the budworms that are on those plants. So anyway, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.